Why do Americans always say bless you after they sneeze? It's one of those things that feels automatic, like you don't even think about it. But why is it so common in the USA? Well, nobody's 100% sure, but some say it's because back in the olden times, people thought that sneezing could actually kill you. So they started saying bless you as a way of giving thanks that you did and die. But if you don't say it, you might just get some strange looks from people around you. These days, it's just a polite thing to say, and if you want to sound extra friendly, say it a little bit louder. So next time you're in America and you hear someone sneeze, make sure you say bless you. Thanks for watching. We're here to help you brainstorm your way to a better life. Subscribe for more fun insights.